So, Antonio, how's it going?
Benissimo, very well, thank you. And you?
I'm okay.
Bene.
Good. So, let's start.
Sì, iniziamo. Che si fa oggi? What's on the menu today?
Antonio, this is not a restaurant.
Ah sì, lo so, non è un ristorante.
And I am not a cook.
E non sei una cuoca, è vero.
I am your teacher.
Sei la mia insegnante, scusa.
And you are my student.
E io sono il tuo studente, è vero. Scusami, come si dice in inglese? Scusami, I'm sorry?
Yes, or I apologize.
Bello questo. I apologize. I apologize. Ok, quindi I apologize, Janet. Mi scuso. And avrei dovuto dire what's the subject of today? Qual è l'oggetto di studio di oggi?
Today, we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. My, his, hers.
Ok, quindi oggi studiamo gli aggettivi possessivi, mio, tuo, suo, eccetera. Ok.
But first, let's take a look at the next episode of our sitcom.
Allora partiamo adesso con un nuovo episodio della nostra sitcom.
Elena discovers that the English eat very early in the evening. Agatha makes supper for everyone, but Elena is not hungry.
Quindi Elena scopre che in Inghilterra si cena molto presto, Agatha ha preparato da mangiare per tutti, però Elena non ha appetito, insomma, a quest'ora.
So, let's begin.
Iniziamo.
Can I help?
Yes, please. Set the table, dear.
Set the table.
I'll help you.
That's a good boy.
The plates?
Is your boyfriend Harold eating with us?
No, Harold is in Oxford.
Harold's Bank has an office in Oxford.
Oh,
The knives and forks. Knife. Fork. And spoon.
Is the table set?
Yes, Agatha.
Good. Sit down, please. Dinner is ready.
are we having dinner now?
Why, of course, dear.
What are we having?
We are having soup and salad. Do you like chicken soup, Elena?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, please put the napkins on the table, Victor.
Oh, sorry. Here they are.
My silly Victor. He forgets everything.
Everything.
Here is your soup. Help yourselves to the bread.
Thank you, Agatha.
You're welcome, my dear. It's so nice to have you here.
Yes, it's nice to have you here.
Thank you, Daddy. It's very kind.
Nonsense. Now let's eat.
How's your soup?
It's delicious.
What's wrong, dear? Don't you like it?
Well,
You don't feel well?
no, I'm sorry. It is a bit early for me. I am not really hungry.
Not hungry?
What time does your family eat dinner back in Spain?
We eat dinner at 10 o'clock at home.
Oh, imagine that.
We're usually in bed before midnight.
Elena, darling, you must forgive our strange English habits.
No, it is all a bit strange for me now.
My poor dear. You must be exhausted.
Maybe you should go to bed soon, Elena.
Yes, please. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry. You go and sleep.
Thank you both.
Good night, Elena.
Night.
Good night.
Sleep well, dear.
Not again, Agatha. Don't do this to me again.
Why, my darling brother, what are you talking about?
So, let's start.
Bene, iniziamo.
We're going to talk about possessive adjectives.
Gli aggettivi possessivi.
First of all, say them with me.
Ok?
My,
My,
your,
your,
his,
his,
her,
her,
its,
its. È difficile, eh?
their.
There. Ho una domanda. I have one question. La parola your è la stessa parola di you are nella forma contratta? Your?
No, it's two different words.
Però,
Sound.
ecco.
They sound exactly the same.
Cioè, si pronuncia nello stesso modo?
And you pronounce them the same.
Vedi?
Your, your.
Quindi può essere sia tu sei che tuo. Your. Difficile.
It is a little.
Ok,
Here are some examples.
sì.
My book.
My book, il mio libro. Ok.
Your pen.
La tua penna, your pen.
Our classroom.
Ah, la nostra classe.
So,
Ok.
there are two important things to remember
Ci sono due cose importanti da ricordare
about the possessive adjectives.
sugli aggettivi possessivi.
First, they never change.
Ah, giusto. Prima di tutto, non cambiano mai.
And secondly, there is no article.
È vero, non c'è l'articolo determinativo.
My is always, always my, with no article.
Quindi non è la mia penna, il mio libro, ma mio libro, mia penna. My pen, my book. Ok,
Your
sì.
is always your, with no article.
Your, quindi non la tua penna, but your pen. Tua penna, senza l'articolo, giusto?
My book, my books, my pen, my pens.
Ok, quindi ho capito il mio libro, my book, i miei libri, my books, always the same word, sempre la stessa parola my. La mia penna, my pen, le mie penne, my pens, quindi non si declina mai.
Yes.
Ok,
And so on with the others.
ho capito. Quindi io dico you are my teacher e non dico you are the my teacher. Quindi tu sei mia insegnante, non tu sei la mia insegnante in inglese.
That's
Ho
right.
capito.
You are my student.
Io sono il tuo studente and this is our classroom.
That's right. Our books,
I nostri libri,
our pen,
la nostra penna,
our table.
il nostro tavolo.
So, the possessive never changes,
Quindi l'aggettivo possessivo non cambia mai
and
e
there is no article.
non c'è l'articolo. Ho capito.
Here are some examples.
Va bene? Qualche esempio.
My friend Robert is American.
Il mio amico Robert è americano.
His sister knows Rebecca very well.
His sister, sua sorella, conosce Rebecca molto bene.
Your friend lives in Madrid.
Your friend lives in Madrid. Il tuo amico vive a Madrid.
Her mother is a very good cook.
Her mother is a very good cook. Sua madre è una brava cuoca.
Now we come to a big difference between Italian and English.
Ok, adesso arriviamo a una grande differenza, una delle tante, tra l'italiano e l'inglese.
You know what it is?
Io? His, her. His, her. È vero? Cioè, il suo libro, his book, se si parla di lui, her book, se si parla di lei.
Very good.
È vero?
Very good.
His, her.
Can you explain it to me in Italian?
Vuoi che te lo spieghi in italiano? che l'aggettivo possessivo in inglese si declina con il sesso, quindi his per lui e her per lei.
That's right.
Okay.
His book
His
because,
book è di lui,
and her book because.
è di lei.
Perfect.
Ho capito.
A few examples.
Altri esempi, sì.
His brother,
Il fratello di lui, quindi il suo fratello,
her brother,
il fratello di lei,
his sister,
la sorella di lui,
her sister,
la sorella di lei,
her mother,
sua madre, la mamma di lui.
her,
Sorry, è vero, la mamma di lei,
his mother,
la madre di lui,
his father.
il padre di lui, his,
Very good. Her father.
her father, il padre di lei.
Excellent. Excellent.
Grazie.
Oh, I think that's enough for today.
Sì. Good.
And how is your mother doing?
She's good. Sta bene.
Good.
And yours?
Mine.
Sì.
My mother's doing very well, thank you.
Bene.
All right. I was having my tea, but now I think is a good time to review our grammar points from this lesson. Here are the possessive adjectives: my, your, his, hers, its, our, your, their. Now, two important things to remember with possessive adjectives are that first, they never change. And secondly, my is always my without the article. And your is always your without the article. Not the my books, but my books. Not the your pens, but my pens. Not the our classroom, but our classroom. I am your teacher. You are my students. This is our classroom. Now, here are a few examples. My friend Robert is American. His sister knows Rebecca very well. Your friend lives in Madrid. Her mother is a very good cook. Now, there's a big difference between Italian and English. His book, because the book belongs to a man. Her book, because the book belongs to a woman. Here are some examples. Susan has a brother. Her brother. Peter has a brother. His brother. Susan has a sister. Her sister. Peter has a sister. His sister. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much, and see you next time.